welcome back. So as we have said in the previous session, that in uh, this time we'll be familiarizing ourselves with the Adobe Photoshop 2021 environment. So basically what we are seeing here is the default screen, what it shows when we just install our application. So here we'll see the recent files I've just worked on. So uh if after laying your hands on one or two projects, you see them stacked over here. So uh right here is the menu bar. You can click on them to see here. Right here is the create new document, as a shortcut of Control N, open, Control O, browse in bridge, open as smart objects. That is that. Edit. You can see is most of the options here, menus, the buttons here are locked, are inactive. So but if after having our document open, we have them functioning. So right here is the menu bar. It's basically called the menu bar. So as you can see, it holds menu for our application. So and here is home button. This takes us to a home. So basically, and we have the create new here and the open. Create new button allows us to create a new document. You can see in our previous classes, in our previous sessions, we have created two documents. So far we created idgr documents.psd and practice. So that's basically how we go about creating a new document. So can we now proceed to creating a new document? Let's go. Just click on, you can either click on this button or come here to the menu bar, click on file and click on new. So you can see it brings up another dialog. This is telling us the recent sizes I have used personally. So it's saved. I actually don't have any preset saved. So and it has lots of functions, lots of default sizes. That is how the application is built. It allows easy getting using the application. It has that functions that makes the use of the application really easy with the presets. Yeah, you can see blank document presets. We have 9. You can see for photo, just for photo. If you have projects you want to do on photo editing, so you can see default photo size, Photoshop size, landscape 6.4, 6x4, 6x4 rather, landscape. So we can see these are just uh default sizes that comes with the application. We can, if you have work on art and illustration, you can just select the default sizes. So right now I will like us to just use this preset. This is the document name, untitled one. Let's change it to let's say first project. Project. Yeah. So width 5, height 5, inches. Let's go with inches as the dimension, as the unit of the dimension. So resolution, let's change it to, you can see the practice file, as the result was kind of pixelated. That was as a result of the low resolution. But to avoid that now, so as to have better Yeah, so as to have better results, let's change the resolution to 300 pixel per inch, So color mode, RGB mode, color mode is best for screen design, while CMYK is best used for print jobs, print projects. Yeah, so background content, should it be white? Do you want it white, black? So let's just go with white. So advanced option, don't color merge, pixel aspect ratio, square pixel. So color profile, don't color manage. So it is best we go with working RGB. So let's stick with working RGB, the column XRGB IEC 61966-21 Yeah, so let's just come here and create. Good. Can we see we just created a new document? So basically this is how our new document looks like, our default environment after we create a new document. So we can now proceed to see the buttons that are here on our menu bar. So once we have content on our screen, we see that we have most of these options activated. Do you understand? So right here is the menu bar, as we have said. Here is the option bar. Here is the document bar. Right here is the ruler bar. You can see it's calibrated. 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, 200, 100, 0, 100, 200, 300 to 1000 to 2100. So, and the same thing here as well. We can see it's calibrated too. So we have the horizontal ruler guide and the vertical ruler guide. So, and right here we have, here is the toolbar. So what the toolbar basically does is it holds it's just like a house for our tools. So majorly tools we'll be using while working on our canvas. So that is the toolbar. So we get to know these things better as the class proceed. Here is the zoom size. Here is the status bar. So this is just telling us the page is currently zoomed to percentage of 50%, and we have the status bar here. So telling us 1500 pixels by 1500 pixels, and having a total 300 ppi points per inch. So that is basically what this information is telling us. And here we have we have they are called the palettes. They are basically called the palettes. We have the colors palette. So basically they are called the palettes. We have the colors palette, the swatches, gradients, patterns, the layers palette, channels, and paths. So you can see here, this is just the list of this just shows the list of the layers we have on our canvas. So basically that is just a brief emphasis on the word brief introduction to Adobe Photoshop 2021 interface. So our next session should would address the toolbar. So till then, peace.